everybody. This is Diane with Craftin' with Fury. I'm super excited. I am here with a project share, an unboxing, and what are we going to make with this video for ScrappyShak? I will leave ScrappyShak's link down below. Guys, go check them out because I'm going to tell you, you will be hooked with her store because I know I am. She has all the new products. Anytime Tim Holtz comes out with something new, bam, she's got it. And a lot of items that you might not be able to find anywhere else. That's how I found her. I was looking for some Tim Holtz Halloween and nobody else had them, and guess who had them? She did. And so I really thank her from the bottom of my heart. This has been so fun. So let's get started. I'm going to move this out of the way. Let me see if I can get some more light over here, guys. There we go. And I'm going to start out with this die set here. This is the Retro Santa, the new Tim Holtz die that has come out, and it's the colorized. And I want to tell you that if these kind of dies that he puts out that's got all these pieces is intimidating, it was for me. But this one here will get you hooked because there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only, I think, 6 dies with this one. Super easy to do. And it is just, there's so many possibilities with this die. And when I seen this die, I was like, Santa, we ain't going to do the red Santa Claus. We're going to do something different. And so my mind started thinking, and my Santa Claus has went steampunk on us. And I love it, love it, love it. If you can see his suit, it's got gears on it. And what I did was I cut this little stocking out of some paper I had, grunged it up, put some stickles around it, put a gear right there, put some gears there, and then put some bigger gears with a chain all the way around it. And I tried to make it look like he was making things keep moving. He's holding that. And this Christmas magic, this is the new Tim Holtz stickers and stuff that he's come out with. I also got that from ScrappyShak. So I love my steampunk Santa. I just wanted to do something different. Just something different. So there is him. And when I went to the ScrappyShak retreat in August in Georgia, I was introduced to Maker Forte. Now, I had never used her products before, but let me tell you guys, oh my gosh, I'm in love with her stamps and her products and her inks. And what I used on this card here, look at this fabulous, look how huge that is, the spider web and these 2 bats. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, 2, 4, 6, 9 stamps in this rubber stamp with all these Halloween words. Love these. They stamp like a dream. And what I did was I was introduced to kaleidoscope powder of hers. And she showed us how to use this in her class that she taught us down at the retreat. And I'm like, I've got to try that. I have to. So what you do is she has got some clear water-based ink pad. You can use this for any of your embossing. And I just put that on my spider web. You stamp your paper. You get your kaleidoscope powder. And I got to be careful because I kind of dumped it, but then I put it all back. About cried. Look how gorgeous and just how gorgeous that is. You can see the different colors. So you would put some of that. And what I recommend and what I do is I have got a little, let me see if I can grab it here, like a little tub like this. And I would put it in there, and that way I could easily put it back in the jar, because you want to save every speck that you can, because you will want to use it up and up and up and up. And after you put it on there, she's got all kinds of little brushes, or use any kind of paintbrush and just kind of lightly brush it off. Then what you want to do is you want to spray it with a little bit of hairspray. That way it won't come off. Just a little. It doesn't take much. And so that makes this awesome. Look at the different colors you see, guys. Look at that. Depends on how you look at it. Look how purple. Look how blue. Look how green that is. I mean, it is just stunning, and I love it on the black. It is just amazing, and just plain black cardstock. And these are the bats that I stamped out and just cut around with the black, and then I use this fog to just go over it, kind of give it some dimension. And look how pretty that gray is. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. And then I just put a little sticker of a spider, a little skeleton, and then I used the Happy Halloween stamp, stamped it on just a plain white piece of paper, grunged it up, put some glossy accents on that, and kind of smeared it just to give it that creepy look. And then I used this Independence. Look at that red. Is it not just gorgeous, gorgeous ink? And so this is my Halloween card that I created with Maker Forte products. And I'm going to tell you, she's come out with some beautiful, beautiful Christmas ones too. Just gorgeous. And guys, these are made in Florida. She does all of this herself. I mean, just stunning, stunning, stunning. Now, this is the unboxing, and what are we going to create? I was sent from ScrappyShak this set. And as you can see, I'm going to open it with you all. And when I first started crafting, I cut my teeth on albums. I bought albums and decorated. I created my own albums, the covers, you name it. And it's very, very time consuming. And she has a bunch of these pre-made. They're called Foundations Memory Keepers, Trifold Magnetic Closure. Listen to that. And they're $49 in market. I love 49 in market. Love their products. Love their papers. And it's already made for you. So we're going to open this together and look. And they've got black and white. And you can get add-ons to go in here. And this is an open waterfall set. And it comes with magnets that you can flip and stuff. And what I thought we might do, guys, I want to make sure that I do not, let's see, I may need to get my little scissors. What I thought we might do is we may make an album together. I haven't done a tutorial like this in a long time. And I thought that we could go step by step. And I've never made one of these before. And we can make it together. I already know which paper I'm going to use. I've been saving it, and I think this would be the perfect thing. Listen to how sturdy that is. So if you're wanting to make an album for somebody with Christmas coming up, or maybe you're wanting to make several albums, with this already made, all you get to do is the fun part and decorate. So that's the fun part. Constructing the album is super fun for me, but it is time consuming. So let's look and see. Let's see how these open. It is magnetic already for you. Look at that. It is. How cool is that? So you don't even have to worry about the magnetics. So you're going to open it up. Let me move this stuff out of the way. We're going to move those there. Oh, goodness. This is going to be fun. This is going to be fun, fun, fun. I think this was just put there to give you room, I think, and you can decorate, or you can use it and put it in there for a extra add-on. You know it? I think that that's what that is just was put in there, but I may keep that and use it. And so when it opens up, then this is magnetic, and you've got this. Look how fun this is, guys. That's magnetic. And then this is an add-on, and it's got all of these. It says create 3 cascading waterfalls. Oh yeah. Look at these. Look at these waterfalls. We are going, yes, definitely. Because see, what you'll do is you'll just put those in like this. Oh, how fun is this going to be? Oh my goodness. Yes, 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 yes. And these will probably, yep, be like the little where you will put the magnet and put your magnet here and close your waterfalls. And you've got 3 different sets. How super fun is this going to be? And look, it even includes the magnets for you. Guys, let's make a photo album together. How about that? That looks like so much fun. Yes. All right. So, if you guys would love to make an album with me, hop on over to ScrappyShak. And they do have, like I said, the white and the black. And it's the Foundation's Memory Keeper. And there's several different add-ons that you can get. So let's make a photo album together. This is going to be super fun. I can't wait to get started on it. So thank you guys so very much for stopping by. I truly, truly appreciate it. May God bless each and every one of you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.